welcome back to the next video of Shakim at Home, where we make local dishes. Today we are making mango punch, my mother's recipe. So let's get started. So here we have some nutmeg, we have some supplegen, we have some mango, we have a cup of water, we have some vanilla extract, we have some salt, we have some guineas, we have some cinnamon, and we have sweetened condensed milk. So here, as you can see, my mom is slicing up the mangoes to put in the blender so she could blend them. Then she is going to put all the slices of mango inside of the blender. Now she's gonna add some water and she's gonna blend it. Now we're gonna add the supplegen into it, the whole box. Now we're going to put in the guineas. Now we're gonna add the sweetened condensed milk. It takes a lot of time to take it out, but it's very thick and nice. Now we're gonna add the cinnamon inside. Now we're gonna add some vanilla extract. Now a pinch of salt. And now we're going to grate some nutmeg inside of it. My mom loves the smell of nutmeg. Now we're gonna blend them together. Make sure you blend everything. If you still have some clumps of mango inside of it, there's now your chance to take out them. Now we're gonna take off the lid and stir it up. You don't want your mixture to be thin. Now we're gonna add it inside of our inside of our cup. Guys, remember to subscribe, hit the notification bell for all our newest videos, and to comment what else you want to see us do. And remember to put God in front of everything you do. And remember, God is love.
Nice and fun, you see.